Good day everyone, especially to our instructor Sir Leo Arcayos, and today we will discuss Marpol Annex 1 oil. Marpol Annex 1 is a part of the international law that focuses on preventing oil pollution from ships. As a seafarer, this is very important because oil is one of the biggest threats to the marine environment. Even a small spill can spread quickly over the water, suffocate marine life, and damage coastal areas. That's why seafarers must strictly follow the rules such as making surely oily waste is treated an oily water separator before discharge. Keeping proper records in the oil record book, and never releasing dirty oil or sludge directly into the sea. By doing this, seafarers protect marine animals, maintain clean oceans, and prevent accidents that could harm both nature and human. Ang Marpol Annex 1 is usa ka bahin nga internasyonal sa balaod nga punting sa pagpugong sa polusyon sa lana gikan ay oil gikan sa mga barko. Mao nga ang mga seafarers kinahanglang higpit nga motuman sa mga lagda sama sa pagsiguro nga ang oily waste maproseso sa oil water separator sa dili pa mogawas, magtipid og saktong record sa oil record book og dili gyud mo pagawas ang hugaw nga ang oil o latak direkta sa dagat. And that's all. Thank you.